Real country girl.
Okay.
Yardman style.
I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In a metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
We're on our way to a waterfall, or some sort of waterfall, we think. Both Kemalto and I, we love waterfalls. But we're in Portland, and what can you say? You can say between Buff Bay and what? Hope Bay? Orange Bay. Between Buff Bay and Orange Bay.
That is a wicked parasitic tree. Come look here.
Where is it? Wicked parasitic tree.
You see it?
No.
Right here. This branch went across to
Wow.
that one.
You say that's wicked?
Well, that looks wicked to me.
Maybe. Well, I can definitely hear some water here, babe.
Yeah.
Oh, can you remove that towel? It's about to blow up. Thank you. We had no idea that this spot existed, babe. Huh?
Huh?
I didn't have any idea that this spot existed.
Me neither. I didn't know much about this area. I know nothing about this area.
Wow. Cam, are we doing this? Maybe we should do it together then. All right. This is just... But this is so beautiful. I didn't even expect this today.
Me neither.
This just comes as a surprise. And we haven't showed you guys how it looks yet. We're gonna. Babe, hold on. Hold on there. Hey, I don't see you today.
I'm here! So beautiful though.
Just wow. Just look. Babe, what are you doing?
And we're moving an ingrown here.
Oh, we can skip that in our YouTube vlog though.
Cut it out.
Skip that, we'll skip that. But babe, you wanna take a dip?
It's too deep for me, I can't.
Don't say that, don't be such a chicken. Just say...
I can't swim, guys. But it's pretty though, I can stand and watch.
You can dip your toes. Babe, come on, you can stand there. This is not something you wanna miss.
Hi guys, so meanwhile Alex is having a wonderful time down there. I'm just here sitting in the shade, wishing I could be a part of the water, but I can't. And Alex is butt naked. He's so wild. You're wilding! But it's so crazy. I never knew that these places actually existed. I mean, I was born and raised in Portland until I was about 11 when I moved to Ottawa. So I never really get to experience a lot of Portland. So it's really cool that now I can do it with Alex actually.
just need a one last glimpse of this nice water here.
Oh, but babe,
Mm-hmm.
look.
What?
Guess what that is?
Jackfruit.
Yeah, for fuck's sake.
Oi, oi, oi. How did we miss this when we walked here, babe?
I don't even know. I wonder if it's ripe. That's what I'm curious about. If it's ripe or I don't think it's ripe though. I wonder if I can get it down. You can always like.
It's a bit. Can you force ripe it?
Yeah.
But babe, hold on. What if I go down there and you
Okay.
you just force it down
I try.
and I'll catch it?
This is a weak stick, but I can try
Yeah.
to get it down.
Get it down off.
Wait, come on. No! So yeah, we're done with the waterfalls now, guys, and now where are we going now? We're just gonna go to Lifespan, fill this water bottle for $100. So cheap when you save your bottles and you fill from the factory. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we don't know what else we're gonna do. We're gonna eat. We're hungry.
Yeah.
We might go to it's called Licoporti. We went there last year. And we went there twice last, or was it 3 times?
No, I think
Twice?
it was 2 times.
Two times. Yeah, it was so good, and we said like this year we just have to go again. I think what are you gonna have? Lobster?
This time?
Yeah. The lobster is the #1 dish. It's called garlic butter, buttered lobster. It's really good.
I think they have curried also.
Oh yeah, and curry, but I like the garlic butter.
Yeah.
We haven't tried the curry, so we can't compare. But we play it safe and stick to what we know and what's tasty, what we like.